Smart Culture, Mathematics.
In this video, we will look at multiplying decimal numbers. Multiplying decimal numbers using the column method involves the same process as multiplying whole numbers, but with an extra step to handle the decimal point. Here's how you can do it using the example of 3,25 times 1,2. Step 1. Ignore the decimal points. First, imagine the decimal points aren't there and set up the problem as if you're multiplying whole numbers. In this case, you'd be multiplying 325 by 12. Step 2. Use the column method. Now, perform the multiplication using the column method. Multiply each digit of the bottom number, 12, by each digit of the top number, 325, just as you would with whole numbers. First, multiply the top number by the unit place digit of the bottom number, 2 in this case. Then, by the tens place digit, 1 in this case. When multiplying by the tens place digit, add a 0 in the end of the product because you're actually multiplying by 10. Count the decimal places. Count the number of digits after the decimal point in your original problem. The total number of decimal places in your original problem will be the total number of decimal places in your answer. In this case, we have 1 decimal place in 1,2 and 2 decimal places in 3,25. So we have a total of 3 decimal places. Step 4. Place the decimal. Starting from the right of your answer, 3,900. Move the decimal point 3 places to the left, the total number of decimal places you counted in step 3. So, 3,25 times 1,2 equals 3,900, which can be written as 3,9. And that's your final answer.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.